How to use storytelling to sell your product. Hi, my name is Raul Quiroga and I'm here to talk to you about the power of storytelling when it comes to marketing. We all know that customers are tired of being bombarded with sales pitches. They want to know how you, the brand, have delivered on your promises in a way that has lived up to their needs and expectations. And that's where storytelling comes in. Storytelling is a powerful way to connect with your customers and create an emotional connection with them. It won't sell directly, but it will make your customers think, damn, maybe I should try this out. So how do you go about crafting a story that will sell your product? Well, you need to answer 3 key questions. Who is your customer? Your protagonist. What is their problem? Your antagonist. How does your product solve their problem? Your plot. Once you have answered these questions, you can start crafting your story. Start by introducing your protagonist and their problem. Then, introduce your product as the solution to their problem. Finally, show how your product has helped them overcome their obstacle. Make sure that your story is relatable, emotional, and authentic. These elements will help make your story more persuasive and convincing. So if you're looking for a new way to market your product, storytelling is definitely something worth trying. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Brownfields and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbrownfields.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.